you pause, you pass this car. Look in the mirror, you can see the dark car. Yeah, is with hazard light. We have also hazard light on now. Yeah, and other cars want to pause and have to go on the left side, like the smart, and then come back.
Okay.
It's place enough. Come back, not in this distance now. Yeah.
Okay.
It's another car. Then it's not necessary to look to go on the right. Then you drive zigzag.
Okay.
Yeah, and that's we don't want it.
Okay.
Look forward.
Okay.
Yeah, and you have to prepare for change. Look inside mirror, outside mirror, indicator, side look, and then change it. Yeah? Indicator left, we start. Indicator left, indicator left for start, and go.
But we want to change the lane? No, we can't.
This for start. What is the reason for the make
Okay.
the indicator right? Make the indicator right, please. Make the indicator right. What is meaning now?
Yeah, because I want to park or stop.
The hazard light normally is wrong.
Yeah.
The hazard light you make it on by an accident,
Yes.
the car's broken. Yeah.
Yeah.
If you want to stop on the right side, then you make the indicator right.
Okay.
If you want to start, then make the indicator left.
Okay.
Indicator left and then start. Yeah, it's parking.
Okay.
And indicator off. Pay attention, look in the mirror or not. Use the mirrors and check the traffic. We never make this one, no? Stay behind, it disappear, then you can drive straight, no? But never make this one.
Yeah.
Never.